Dr. Francis Chukwudi Owoh of Omatolo Village, Enugu, in Njikoka local government area of Anambra State, has been installed as a national patron of the People's Club of Nigeria International. The ceremony held at the country home of Ozomkpu attracted the traditional ruler of Enugu, Igwe, his cabinet chiefs, titled men, members of People's Club of Nigeria from within and outside the country, friends and well-wishers. Our correspondent, Queen Aniborg, was there for ABS and now reports.
In a holy mass preceding the event, a visiting priest, Reverend Father Chidebele Ozumba, explained that the occasion was to thank God for the installation of Ozomkpu Owoh as patron of the People's Club of Nigeria International and pointed out that his philanthropic nature singled him out. Reverend Father Ozumba seized the opportunity and appealed to well-meaning Indian Anambra to use the occasion of Christmas to show the love of Jesus Christ to their neighbors. While breaking the kola nut, Igwe said the celebrant, who is a member of his cabinet, is a man of honor, very generous, and prayed for the continued existence of the club.
Hereby confer patronship of People's Club of Nigeria International on you. Certificate of honor. This is to certify that Ozomkpu Chief Doctor Engineer Francis Owoh, having made outstanding contributions to the growth and development of the club, has been conferred the special title of National Patron of People's Club of Nigeria International, given under our seal this 14th day of December 2022, signed Joseph Billon, National President, National Secretary, Anthony. Congratulations.
Installing Ozomkpu Owoh as a national patron of the club, the national president of the club, Chief Joseph Ilonze, explained that he was found worthy to be installed because of his outstanding contributions to the growth and development of the club. He mentioned that the main objectives of the club is to help humanity and philanthropism in its entirety, and added that these are also qualities they look out for in people the club installs as patrons. In his response, the patron-elect, Ozomkpu Owoh, appreciated the club for finding him worthy for the honor and promised that he will continue his charitable works for which he is known. Chief Owoh, who disclosed that he joined the club since 2000, also appreciated all his guests for finding out time to grace the occasion.
The main purpose of this club is charitable work. We have many organizations like station, and we also help my churches. So we reach out to people who less unfortunate, other means to survive. We reach out to them. So all the members of the club, enyemaka na ọbụrụ na obodo on thank you we reach out and we help.
For a very good friend of the celebrant, Chief Ralph Wando, Ozomkpu Owoh should not relent in playing a fatherly role to the club, especially in the area of peace, noting that crisis does no one any good. Melodious high life tunes from a live band, cultural dances, presentation of gifts, wining and dining featured during the day. Queen Aniborg, ABS News.